we're going to go over 5 different types of roll-up side operators you could install on your high tunnel, greenhouse, or hoop house. And we're going to touch on the pros and cons of each of those operators. If you need any of the operators shown in this video, I'll make sure I have links in the description to where you can find them. The first roll-up side operator I want to talk about is the most rudimentary. We literally call this option the simple handle here at Tunnel Vision Hoops. It's low cost, and it can very easily and quickly be attached to 1 3/8 inch outer diameter steel roll bars. So it's great in that sense. You just insert the end of the simple handle into a roll bar, you drive a couple of Tek screws to connect the handle to the bar, and then for all intents and purposes, the installation's done. Your handle's on the roll bar, and you're ready to attach the plastic to your roll bar. This handle would probably be best for people on a budget whose structures will be less than 40 feet in length. The reason I think 40 feet should be the maximum length you use with this handle, it's that you're going to feel 100% of the weight of that roll bar with each crank of this type of handle. And as you get longer than 40 feet, that weight is really going to add up. You know, if you try to use this simple handle with a 96 foot or 100 foot structure, for example, it may not even be possible depending on how strong you are. That said, for about 30 bucks a handle at the time of this video being made, these aren't a bad option for budget builders that have short structures. Number 2 on our list are universal joint handles. And at first look, these handles don't seem to be much different than the simple handles we just discussed. In fact, the universal joint handle is comprised of 3 components. One of those components is literally the simple handle. There is a simple handle, which is connected to a steel tube standoff, which is connected to a universal joint. And once assembled, the universal joint handle looks like this, and the end of the universal joint, the open end of this universal joint, can insert directly into the end of your 1 3/8 inch outer diameter steel roll bar, and you can attach it directly with Tek screws. Again, I like the panhead Tek screws because they're low profile. Now, the benefits of the universal joint operators over the simple handle are twofold. The first main benefit of the universal joint handle is the steel tube standoff. This is as a standard 12 inches of steel tubing, and it provides the perfect space for one of your hands to grip when rolling the side up or down. While it sounds like a small thing, being able to grab the standoff with one hand while you roll the roll bar up and down with the crank will allow you to stabilize the roll bar much easier. Additionally, although the standard steel tube standoff is most commonly provided as a 12-inch long standoff, you could replace this standoff with much longer steel tube, which could allow you to prop the handle directly into the earth instead of a rope tie-off. The second main benefit of this type of roll-up side operator is the actual universal joint. It's the universal joint itself that allows the handle to bend and contort in various ways to make it easier to tie off with rope in the up position and also move out of the way when it's in the down position. Universal joint handles would probably work best on structures 48 feet or less. The reason being, there is no weight transfer mechanism in the universal joint handles, so you'll be rolling up 100% of the weight of that roll bar every rotation. Coming in at around $51 per handle at the time of making this video, these are an optimal option for people who are on a budget seeking just a little bit more functionality that have relatively short structures. Number 3 on our list are 7-to-1 gearbox operators. These mechanisms attach to one end of your roll bar, and when the loop on your gearbox is cranked with a handle, the roll bar will turn and the entire mechanism will move upward on a guide pipe. The main benefits of these gearboxes is that they help transfer the weight of the roll bars into the mechanism. Basically, that first number, which is a 7 for this model that we're talking about here, means that this little loop needs to rotate around 7 times for every 1 time the roll bar rotates. Another main reason we really like the 7-to-1 gearbox operator is the fact that it has an internal brake. What I mean by an internal brake is that the 7-to-1 gearbox can be rolled up and stopped at any point along the side of the structure, and they won't unravel and roll back down on you unless you roll them back down. This is huge. The reason this is such a big deal is that it means you can roll up your sides just 4 inches if you just want to let some air out. It means you can roll them up just 1 foot if you want to let a little more out, but you don't want to open them all the way. It means you can open them all the way up, and anytime you stop, they're just not going to unravel on you. The other reason this is a big deal is for, well, safety. Honestly, if you have standard handles on your high tunnel or hoop house and you have kids running around and one of them bumps the handle off of the rope that's holding you in the up position, that roll-up side is just going to drop all the way down rapidly with gravity, and the handle's just going to womp around in circles really quickly until it reaches the ground. That is a little dangerous. So if you have kids or you're just worried about that happening to you yourself, which is totally valid, gearbox operators with internal brakes are an extremely good option. Now, the 7-to-1 gearboxes are a bit more costly compared to handle-only operators, priced at about $160 per side at the time of making this video, but the internal brake and the ability to roll the sides up more easily are often worth the upgrade. Fourth on our list, and the next step up to the gearbox operators I just mentioned, are the 13-to-1 version, and they make rolling even longer lengths of roll-up sides much easier. They can roll up about 1,500 square feet of material. Outside of the lengths that this gearbox can handle, just like the 7-to-1 operator, it also comes with an internal brake, and the real big benefit of the 13-to-1 gearbox is that it can be greased in the future if maintenance is required. This ensures a longer lifespan compared to other closed-system gearboxes like the 7-to-1 gearbox I mentioned just a moment ago. If you have a long structure and want a gearbox operator with a long life, the 13-to-1 gearbox operator might be perfect for you. Number 5 on our list, automated roll-up sides. Automated roll-up sides have become much more popular as growers have learned these automated sides can pay for themselves over the life of the structure if looking at things like how much time is saved messing around with the roll-up sides and how much better the crop can be if you aren't the one deciding when to roll the sides up or down. In other words, leave it up to various mechanisms that gauge the environment, such as temperature, humidity, whether rain is coming, and let that dictate when the sides are rolled up as down instead of your intuition. Automated roll-up sides may seem a bit intimidating, but at their core, most of the setups aren't all that difficult, and for the majority of people wanting an automated system, it's simply going to be made up of 2 auto roller motors, one for each side, and 1 environmental controller. For those wanting to take it a little further and set up a more defined environment within their structure, a specific type of environmental controller can be used that comes with wind, rain, and humidity override capabilities. The main downside of automated systems is the upfront cost. As you can imagine, they're costlier than manual options, and additionally, they do require electricity to operate. And some of these are available with solar setups if you're off-grid, so that certainly is a possibility. That said, wherever there's electricity, whether it's solar or otherwise, there's going to be an increased cost. Auto roller motors are really perfect for anyone looking to reduce the amount of labor involved with operating their high tunnel, and people who know that the interior environment for their plants is going to better be managed by thermostatic controls than intuition. If you need a roll-up side operator that was shown in this video, I'll have direct links in the description to where you can find them, or if you're interested in getting a quote for a high tunnel, we manufacture high tunnels at Tunnel Vision Hoops, and you can request a quote at tunnelvisionhoops.com or through following this QR code. Thanks for watching.